Listen carefully to the story. The title is The White Rabbit's Escape. Lily had a pet rabbit named Snowy. He was fluffy, white, and loved to nibble on carrots. One afternoon, Lily opened the garden gate to water the plants. Snowy hopped out of his cage and dashed into the tall grass. "Oh no! Come back, Snowy!" Lily cried. She ran across the yard, but the rabbit was too quick. Snowy squeezed under a bush and hid quietly. Lily searched everywhere, behind the shed, under the table, and near the flower pots. Still no sign of him. Finally, Lily placed a carrot near the cage and waited. After a few minutes, Snowy's nose peeked out. He sniffed the air, hopped toward the carrot, and went right back inside. Lily sighed with relief and locked the cage gently. "You little escape artist," she said with a smile. That was the story. The White Rabbit's Escape. Now get ready to answer the questions on your worksheet.